Oh, here we go. It's time to start the madness. Yeah, I'll have to go get some cable ties, but we're ready. We're gonna get crap out of here right now. Get the crap out that we're not using. I already got a couple things out here. We got the, yep, the Wii thing. I think this is a Wii thing. Your thoughts? Okay. And now there's a couple of pieces up here. Like I said, this is that we can put in last. That is for headphones, I think. So we'll put that over here. Chong ching long ding dong long dong dong. All right, how do we get this out of here? You ask me. Well, oh my goodness, that is a power cord. Okay, so I mean, really? Why do we need a power cord? Get it out of there. Don't need it. Hooked up to the power. Don't even use it for years. Years are going by. Yeah, this has got to be part of the Wii thing. Wii. It says, yeah, Wii. Now, Wii might be good. Might be something that I would enjoy. I don't know. But for now, it's over. Okay? It's over for that. Now we got to figure out if there's anything else up here. Here's a thing that comes down. What is that? Gray wire. Gray wires. And that goes to the TV. Whoa. Really? Well, that looks like... Okay, good. So I see how that works. Get rid of it. That's a 3. That's that for the Wii. Easy stuff. I mean, you just hook it up to the TV. So, what am I doing? Yeah. Putting all the Wii stuff together. I think, like I said, that's Wii there. I'm pretty sure that's Wii. I don't know, man. God forbid. What is this stuff? Okay, so now we got that. Boy, I wish I had an antenna, because there seems to be a ground for the antenna that's not proper. That's not working. And then this one is no problem going up and over. I mean, that's all we got. So what are you gonna do? Very poor reception around here. Very poor. Oh. Come on, dude. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, so we're leaving this up here. Allegedly the FM antenna. I don't even believe it. I don't think it's doing anything. Okay? And then we're going to figure out, I mean, look at these wires. This goes to the TV. Give me this thing. Okay, those all go to the TV. Bang, bang, bang. Big Berthas left and right. So you'd think that'd be for the speakers. Okay. And that's all going that way. Down that big hole. And then this, something else is going up high here. Ugh. And that's speakers. I mean, really? And then somebody cut 2 speaker wires. So these are all speaker wires. Going up high and low. So you figure it out. Look at this. Look at that. Now, how do you do that? How does a person do something like that? Really? Are you sure? Let me just wipe this clean, because I don't like all this dust in my way here. There. Dust this off. Dust this off. Dust this off a little. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, dust this off. Massive amount of weirdness here. Dusty roads. The back of the TV needs to be cleaned as well. We'll take care of it. See this? There's how you do it. Okay, clean the bottom of the TV off a little. Just clean the TV itself. Yeah, it's nasty, dirty, dusty. I've seen worse, but okay, always wipe the top. Yeah, what is that thing? What is this thing? What is this? What is that? What is that? I have no idea what this goes to. It just kind of hangs out right here on the top. So, what is this thing? Just have to ask Father next time, but to me, it looks like it must go into this Wii thing. Yeah, there it is. It goes into the Wii thing. It's probably a motion detector. So, I say it's got to go. No more wires, no more Wii. Sorry, gotta go. Wrap it up. And you know, that's the, you know what the problem is? All of these kind of electronics, old and new, are all outdated and worthless. They're hardly worth $5 anymore. I am sorry. Yeah, this must be some kind of motion thing for the Wii, although it doesn't say Wii on it. That's too expensive to put the name on there. Hell yeah. Alright, and so the next thing is, let's move this TV over here more. Get it out of the way. Like we got this sideways. Right here. Huh. Optical. I don't think that optical thing works, but maybe we should use it. Oh, shoot. Optical. The optical thing is optical TV. Now, so I would like to follow this wire. Optical 2 for the DVD. So this wire here, there we go again. Here we go. This one is going to the TV only. And then this is another wire. If you have it, oh, I have one of those somewhere. Oh, that's optical too. No, that's different. Wii is different. Okay. But I think I have one of these, so that this cover can come off, and then you plug it into your amp for whatever reason, and then it could go to this as well, but that's beyond my knowledge. We're just going to skip that for now. So this here, and of course, yeah, this doesn't want to go back on here and hang out. It wants to drop on the floor 5 times. Alright, there you go. So if I'm looking up here, I see the FM antenna. I see the digital thing going down to the TV, which is hooked up. And I forget, I don't know what all that's for, if it's even working. And then the rest of this, like this one, is going to the DVD player, which is right here. So everything, that all seems normal. Oh, here's something that's unplugged. We don't know what it is. Maybe somebody could tell me. this is, it's like a power source for something. And because it's a power source, I can't reach the plug. I mean, this is the most, and here's the most crazy thing. I cannot even get at this plug over there. Jesus! Mothers! Oh my God. Ugh. Okay, now I see a plug. Oh, you want to see more? Do you want to see more, people? Okay. So, up here, not so bad anymore, but still, I'm going to clean that up. But look at this. This is illegal, man. Oh, I see wires going to speakers in the other side of the room. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm going after that right there, that one right there, that black thing. It's got to go. Wow. Just amazing. All right, we got a little dust to clean up. I am sorry. All right, so sooner or later, Father's coming back from the grocery store. I'll have to help him, so it's going to be another scene here. Another scene coming up. So, we'll be back in a minute, back. And maybe we'll concentrate more up there, tidy that up, and then go to the bottom. Yeah. That's what we'll do. Oh, boy. And I'm trying to get this thing to stand up here without falling over. So, thumbs up, everybody. Hit that like button. Thanks so much. Class. Comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you.